Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download FL Studio officially using the safe and legal method. No cracked files, no pirated versions, only the official FL Studio website. So make sure you watch till the end. Step 1. Go to the official FL Studio website. First, open your web browser. Now search for FL Studio Official Download, or directly link in description. Important. Always download FL Studio only from the official website. Cracked or modified versions are unsafe and illegal. Step 2. Choose FL Studio for Windows. On the official website, click on Download. Select FL Studio for Windows. Choose the latest version, Windows 10 or 11 64-bit. Step 3. Start FL Studio download. Click on the Download button. Your FL Studio installer will start downloading. The file size is large, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. Bonus tip: if you want the full version, you can purchase a lifetime license from the official website. Free updates are included with the license. For smoother music production, I've also linked some recommended PC hardware below. If you use high CPU usage and heavy multitasking, then these PC hardware upgrades really help. SSD, faster system response, RAM, better multitasking, USB cooling, pad or laptop stand. So that's how you can download FL Studio officially and safely. If this video helped you, like, share, subscribe for more music production and PC software tutorials. Comment below which software you want next. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.